Welcome to Fix and Farm Garage, where the modern farming meets the master tools repair. Here we don't discard, we restore, making your tools work like new.
Stopped mid-job. This rivet gun quit on me because the jaws had lost grip. I found a way to bring it back to life with one clever fix. Hi there, I'm your host Sakuya Mkela from Fix and Farm Garage. If you like smart budget-friendly repairs for farm gear and power tools, you are in the right place. Today, how I rescued this rivet gun from worn threads, but I wanted to make it work right away. The jaws couldn't grab release anymore. The threads inside the assembly were finished. Normally that means replacing the whole part. Here's the trick. After I removed the jaw assembly, I discovered the threads were stripped. So I inserted a thin piece of metal sheet inside that gave the jaws a new gripping surface body where the assembly screws in. The assembly tightened down firmly. Now watch. Rivet goes in and the main row snaps perfectly. Solid grip restored, no more slipping. If your rivet gun loses bite, check for worn jaws or stripped threads. You can patch it like this, but long term, consider a replacement assembly for durability. Like and subscribe for more smart farm and tool fixes. Share your rivet gun struggles in the comments. I will try to help with a repair idea for your model.